It's time for Still Alive and Kicking.
Hi, the activity is bowling, and boy has it changed. I was a pinball setter at the Norwich Elks Club alleys when I was in high school. Now it's all automatic. And in some places there's cables actually attached to each bowling pin that makes them dance after every ball has gone through. It's brightly lit, there's beautiful music playing all the time, there's food, there's all sorts of colors for the balls. It's still 60 feet from the foul line to the head pin. You want to keep your ball on the alley, hit the 1-2 or the 1-3 pocket and hope for a strike. And if you want, you can put the bumper guards up for your grandchildren or for yourself. It'll guarantee the ball stays on the alley and hits some pins. Have some fun. Don't be a turkey, give a turkey. That's 3 strikes in bowling.